Hey guys, welcome back to Hooking as a Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how to create a rug with all that t-shirt yarn that we made in a previous video. And this is going to be a simple rug using single crochet, going back and forth. It's going to be square or rectangular, and I want it to be the size as of a floor mat that you would put at your front door to wipe your feet on. And yeah, so we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna be using a P hook, which is a size 11.5 millimeter hook, just this one right here. And yeah, I'm gonna use all this yarn here that I have. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. It might not be for this rug, but if I need more, I'll just pull out more t-shirts and create some more. So I'm just gonna zoom you in here. I think that's good enough, and we're gonna get started. And I'm gonna do what I would regularly do when I'm starting a crochet project, which is start with a foundation chain, and my foundation chain is gonna consist of single crochets. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot, put it on my hook, and I'm gonna do a foundation single crochet row. So I'm gonna chain up two. 1, 2, and then in that back bump I'm gonna create my first foundation single crochet. And this yarn is easy to work with because it's stretchy. I'm gonna yarn over, go through it, then go through 1, and then go through 2. That's our first foundation single crochet. To start the second one, remember we go into those 2 spaces back here. So we go through both of them, just like so. And you yarn over, go through 1, and then go through 2. And we're going to continue to do this until we have the length that we are pleased with for our rug. And I'll let you know what that is once I finish my foundation single crochet row. Alright, so I made a foundation chain of 50 single crochets. This is what it looks like so far. So I'm just gonna basically chain up 1 and then turn my work and just continue to single crochet until I have the length that I want. So I'm just gonna go straight into that first single crochet with another single crochet, just like so. This is gonna be a really simple rug made out of t-shirt yarn. This will be my very first project using a yarn like this. So I wanted to keep it simple for myself and then gradually work my way up. I want to show you how I'm just gonna join my next color just using a knot. Just gonna knot them together, take the ends and just knot them together and continue crocheting like that. And it's so easy to work with, this material. It's so stretchy. And this measured, I took the measurement, it was about 23 inches long. So if you wanted to make it longer than that, just make 60 single crochets. If you want to make it shorter, make 40 single crochets. foundation single crochets. It's up to you how big you want your mat to be. This one is still going. We haven't finished it yet, that first ball of t-shirt yarn. Okay, here I am at the end of the second row. Chain one, turn my work, single crochet into that first space, and every space that follows. Here I am at the end. Let me undo that one so it don't be too much. I'm gonna get a second ball of yarn. Just gonna take my ends like so and just make a double knot with the ends of it. Pull it a little bit. There we go. And I'm just going to continue to single crochet. Alright, so I'm going to continue to work on this, and when I'm done I'll let you know how many rows of single crochets I made and if I needed more t-shirt yarn, which I don't know if I will. I don't know. We'll see. Depends on how big I want this rug to be. I'll see you when I reach the end. Alright, so I finished my rug, as you might call it. A rug made out of just t-shirts, and I used a total of, I think, 15 t-shirts, I think. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 t-shirts, and a total of 38 rows. And I started with a chain of 50. So she measures, let's see, 30 by about 20 inches. And this will sit by my front door, and it will be used just to wipe our feet. It's kind of big. It's pretty big. So if you want to make less chains, maybe you could start with a chain of 40 instead of the 50. I think it will be a better size. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you if you wanted to get started and do something with some t-shirts. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will check you out in the next video. Bye.